I will start chapter 28, and name of the chapter 28 is the social etiquette. Social etiquette. Social etiquette. I will start chapter 28, social etiquette. So, what is the meaning of social etiquette? What is the meaning of social etiquette? It means the behavior you resort in social situations. First, the behavior you resort in, the behavior you resort in social situation. Social situation, like if we will go to a party, just like birthday party, wedding, or different in social situations, if you are going, then what is the behavior of yours? What is the behavior of yours towards the others? So the behavior you resort in social situation, which kind of behavior you are delivering for the others, that is the meaning social etiquette. So what is the meaning of social etiquette? The behavior you resort in social situations. And or second, what is the second meaning of the social etiquette? To be having in a socially responsible way. Socially responsible way. So second, to be having in a socially responsible way. What is your responsibility and which kind of behavior you are showing to the others? That is the social etiquette. While you are going in a party, then you will see the different types of people coming from the different society. And when they are coming from the different society, obviously their culture, their talking behavior, all obviously it will be different. So according to the situation, how you are presenting and what is your behavior, that is the social etiquette. That is the social etiquette. Whenever we attend a birthday party, wedding, or any such event, we should follow certain rules. And while we are going in a party, some rules and regulations are there, how we will behave according to that, such rules and regulations to behave properly. If we will go in a public place, obviously some rules and regulations. You have to control your language, how you will talk to others, how you will represent to others. So these are comes under the social etiquette, and how you will represent, and these are the different things. So some rules and regulations are there in different situations. Different rules and regulations are there. So in book, encircle the child who is most well behaved among the following children. In book it is given that encircle the child who is most well behaved among the following children. Ria always arrives at the event on time. So Ria always arrives at the event on time. That is the good. As soon as Varun arrives at the party, he looks for the host and wishes him or her. Sana does not tamper with decoration. Raju always shows respect to waiters. So obviously these are the good things. Varun sometimes carries eatables to his home from the parties in order to enjoy eating them at home. Riya takes only as much food as he requires. So obviously Riya is behaving properly. Means if you are going in a party and if you will take food, then you don't know how much it is there and how many people are remaining. They are not taking food. So if you will carry the foods at home, then it is not good. So this is not a good thing. So next one is the Varun sometimes carries eatables to his home from the parties in order to enjoy eating them at home. And Riya showing good behavior. Riya takes only as much food as she requires. And Sana always gets into a heated argument while conversing with someone. So this habit is not good. While you are talking with others, your tone, your voice should be low. Your voice should be in low. And don't come in heated argument. Don't up your voice, and if it is slow or in low temper, then it is good. So don't raise voice and don't hyper. Then Raju always jumps the queue to get food. This is not good. While you are taking food, if you will come in queue, then it is good. If you will jump from one place to others, then others can get hurt and you also at the same time. So this habit is not good. Whenever Sana goes to a wedding party, she always criticizes the brides and the groom's dresses. This habit is also not good. If you are going in a party or if you are criticizing the others' dresses, then this is not good habit. You go and enjoy the party, and this is not good habit. This is not comes under the social etiquette, or this is not good behavior. Riya always brings useful gifts with her to the parties so that the recipients could use it in their daily lives. So this also good habits. When you are representing gift to others and when you have to bring the useful things, then it is good. So others can use the things. And Varun does not stuff his mouth with food. Raju never puts the glasses, plates, etc. at the assigned place. This one also is not good habit. If you will do some proper rules and regulations are there while you are going anywhere, some rules and regulations, and if you will follow rules and regulations, then others obviously they will also follow. So this is also not good. Means if you will throw plates, glasses, other things anywhere, then it is not looking nice. And if you will keep all the things in the dustbin, then it looks nice. And so these are the different types of behavior coming from the different types of peoples, different types of the society. So till here all of you take revision.